It's a 2017 Chevrolet Cruze. From the morning commute to weekend adventures, this Cruze is the do-it-all compact that is there to serve. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, heated steering wheel, rear parking sensors, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated rear seats, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, power sliding sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and heated leather bucket seats. From the Wall Street Journal, as adapted for the U.S. market, the Cruze is mad for safety with standard equipment 10 standard airbags, rollover sensor, stability control, pre-tensioning front seat belts, and automatic headlamps. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.